In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Word documents in Google Docs. This is a super handy skill to have, especially if you're looking to collaborate with others or just prefer using Google's suite of tools. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're here, you'll see a vibrant display of files and folders, especially if you've been using Google Drive for a while. But if everything looks stark and empty, don't worry. This just means you're ready for your first upload. Now let's go ahead and upload that Word document you're eager to work with. At the top left of your Google Drive homepage, you'll spot a large New button. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select the option that says File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, and from there, you can navigate through your folders to find your Word document. Once you find it, double-click to start the upload process. Be mindful of larger files, as they might take a little longer to upload. Once your document is uploaded and appears in the Google Drive list, your next task is to open it within Google Docs. Double-click on the Word file you've just uploaded. Typically, this will bring up a preview of your document, but our goal is to get it open in Google Docs specifically. So, right above the document preview, you'll see a prominent Open with Google Docs button. Click that, and your document will begin to convert. Once inside Google Docs, you'll notice that the Word format is generally preserved quite well. But it's a good idea to skim through and ensure everything appears as you expect. Sometimes, especially with complex formatting, you might need to tweak a few things. This environment is where you can edit, share, and collaborate with others seamlessly, thanks to Google's cloud-based platform. If you decide you need to download the document back into Word format at any time, you can easily do so. Just head to the File menu within Google Docs, hover over the Download option, and then select Microsoft Word.docx. This means you can always return your document to its original format if necessary. And there you have it. Opening and editing a Word document in Google Docs is just that simple. You're now equipped to merge the functionalities of Word and Google Docs, providing flexibility and convenience in your document editing tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in your future endeavors.